This is a weekly reading for you, Aries. So let us see how's the week looking. Some of you will be very inspired this week, and you may ask for help, or you may just reach out to someone to help you begin a journey or start a project, or maybe something new will be assigned or given to you, and you're going to look for help. And this help or this mentor or coach is going to guide you so well that you will be able to begin or start something on a very robust level or a ground. So you are this person who's reaching out to this lady or a queen who's blessed with one coin and all the riches, and you are just starting out willing to see who you should take guidance from or who can help you out. And looks like this person helped you out very well, because while she has only one coin, you made the learning, and now you have three coins. So this learning is going to be very effective for you. So some of you who may be planning to take up some kind of a training or a course is going to be very rewarding this week. And whatever that you plan to start, don't do it all by yourself purely on how and what you know. You may just want to take help from someone, and he or she will be able to put you on a right track, almost to the point that you will be very effective. So I'm saying also, you want to help people out just the way you sought someone's help. You want to help some people out who may find that they are stuck in what they are doing or their business or project. So if you can help that situation or people who will be coming to you, it will just create a good sense of reputation and respect also for you in your job situation or work situation, or even in the family if you're trying to help out. So this is how your reading is looking, Aries. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. So you're working on something, maybe there is some family reunion or some kind of a family gathering, or maybe wedding for some of you. I'm just saying you're hard at work to get certain things done, and then there are some people who are telling you to accommodate their suggestions also, and there is going to be a bit of a rift as I see it. So you can make a choice, Taurus. Either you go with perfection, that you know how it is done and you don't want to take on board someone's suggestions which may not come out that great, or they may not look so effective, and then deal with certain not so nice words or some meanness or someone just gossiping and spreading rumors about you. Or you can just include and take their suggestion on board and somehow probably see if it can be accommodated and made to work. If not the entire thing, maybe some bit of it. So if you choose to go more people oriented and accept their views, you can just save yourself from some kind of bitterness or nastiness that can come with some people saying mean things or having to share their not so great perspective about you, which will eventually travel to you, and I'm seeing a bit of a heartburn. So you can avoid this energy if you can take on board a suggestion or whatever people may be saying. Also, don't turn people away if they come asking for help purely because you're so busy and you cannot take time out, because looks like it will then give you a bit of a grief and sadness. These people may then say some not so nice words and may then very get confrontational or maybe tell you that we helped you out when you came along and now you can't find time, something like that. I'm just saying that this week you want to be very tuned into what people are saying. If they're looking for help, somehow taking out time and helping them out so that you can avoid this energy. Also, go easy with your communication. If you are seeing someone wants to pick a fight and argue for absolutely no reason, you want to just steer clear of it. So overall, there is a win. So for whatever work you are doing, looks like you're heavily rewarded. And some of you don't like this whole experience that some people choose to not understand or are unreasonable. So it's quite possible that you helped some people out and then they still went ahead and probably did not give you as much credit as you were looking for, and then you're a little bit feeling introspective and wanting to be left alone. So protect your heart this week, Taurus. Don't make it so vulnerable that anyone and everyone can come and puncture it or make you feel low. So you want to protect your heart, deal with people as in how the situation is. Mostly you want to help them and include them in your way you do things. And then overall I'm seeing a lot of rewards. And then some of you may feel just emotionally a bit charged because of certain misunderstanding that could crop up if the situation is not handled properly. For some of you, team role is going to be a bit challenging this week. So you want to handle pretty much every participant or team member with due care, and then looks like you can manage these energies very well. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Gemini. I'm just seeing decision time, and one more decision time. So some of you are going to push through an idea or a concept with lot of strength and lot of conviction, and it may just lead to some kind of a misunderstanding or people just not being able to agree with what they are saying and you not being able to agree with what they are saying. So I'm just seeing a bit of a rift purely because you have so strong a conviction that it should be done in a certain way, and your partner, maybe a love partner or your love interest or maybe someone in your work situation, whoever the situation is with, he or she may want to force upon what they feel should be done in a certain way. So there will be a difficulty in making a decision. Some of you are just going to, also you're going to ask people to give you or leave you alone for some time, and you're going to spend a lot of time introspecting and trying to interpret the whole situation and how you can help it purely by looking within and not taking any outside help. Now, with so many decision cards and so much of people wanting to prove themselves right, you not being sure of which way to go because you believe you are right and the other person is coming just about as strongly, you just want to develop a better perspective, maybe step into their shoes and then see it if what they are saying looks more right. So this is a guidance of appreciating or embracing something that's very different, never tried, and then taking it on and seeing how it works. So you want to just develop a bit of a perspective change purely for the sake of knowing that if it is done differently than what you believe, how well it will work out. So just give a bit of a choice to yourself that maybe even though I am so convinced and I know it can be done right in this particular way, you still want to give it a choice to yourself that maybe the other person's opinion or the way to do things could be tried out. So if you do that, your things, probably whatever you're dealing with, maybe it's a travel situation with the love partner, the two of you are not able to decide where to travel, and then there's just so much time wanting to be left alone because you want to probably travel on certain dates. So the guidance really is just try and give it a chance to the other person's opinion and what they are saying, and then see if it works out fine. But overall, it will be a very deciding week. Some of you are going to feel very stuck with the decision because you very strongly believe in something, and the other person is also not giving up their ground and believes just about as equally into what they are proposing. So, some of you who are into a negotiating role, you will find it's a hands full week, and there is a lot to bring in terms of your expertise and learn when you're dealing with people. There will be a lot of scope for negotiation in your dealings this week, Gemini. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Cancer. Some of you, Cancer, who are probably thinking that you should start something new, or you want to take up something very, very challenging and prove yourself to people around you, maybe family, your employer, or your stakeholders. I'm seeing a lot of help coming your way. So you see, this young man is in a very student energy. He or she is just planning to start something all by themselves, and then they meet someone who's conquered this situation and made a good lot success for themselves. So some of you will meet someone who's really done very well for themselves when they started out in your similar situation, or maybe some of you who have marital problems going on, or you have some difficulty going on in your relationship, you may just meet someone who has a very strong love relationship going on, or are happily married for the longest time, and he or she may just give you a nice tip or how to handle or make this relationship work for you. In work situation, you can probably look out for help from your supervisor also, Cancer. And only thing you have to stop yourself or resist from doing is create a routine which is just going to limit whatever that you're trying to do. So it's quite possible that this person gave you a certain trick or a tip on how to do, probably work out a certain situation in your love relationship or probably in your job situation. You don't want to make only that as your guideline or only that what you need to follow. You have to keep your options very, very open, and you have to still continue to think with your mind. So you may just take it as an inspiration, not something as an absolute solution which needs to be followed to the T, because otherwise I see you are going to feel very limited and you're going to struggle a bit with this help that may come your way. So continue to work with your own personal perspective and how things can be improved over and above the help that may come along. So this is how your reading is, Cancer. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Leo. For some of you, there is a attention which is needed in your family life. It's quite possible for quite a few of you, your children don't get along, or there is just perennial disagreement or situation going on with children not agreeing, and then I'm seeing some kind of small issue becoming into a rift or something, a stronger energy. So there is a help around the way. So maybe you should take help from your spouse if you're just trying to solve this situation with your children or by yourself. Or if you're in a team role and you're working and your people, your team members don't get along or your colleagues are not getting along, I'm just seeing a small bitterness which was going on for quite some time turning into something very strong and rift. Now, this is how it is always going to be. Now, if people don't make peace with certain argument or confrontation, it is going to escalate and become something big. And after that, either the people will choose to work together and find the missing pieces and say that a lot has been damaged or a lot of loss has happened and let's now come together and create an understanding, or these people who are arguing and fighting for smallest of reasons are going to say that maybe we should just part ways. So in a certain way, maybe Leo, even you would be included in this picture and you will have to take sides. There will be some tough decisions which will be taken by people. So some people who are not agreeing, you will just find that they either went parted ways for good or they have just come along and created a good sense of working together. So, but as I see it in the whole scenario, there is someone who can help the situation out. Now, this person is either being ignored or is not being reached out to. So, Leo, if you are the one who's caught up in this kind of confrontation or bitterness, you want to reach out to someone who is able to understand situation in a higher ground or with a higher understanding and probably provide a kind of a solution that will resolve this whole issue when it is at a very small level of bitterness rather than when it becomes something big and strong as a rift. So I'm just seeing a bit of a concern here. But then help is available should any of you want to reach out, and you should be aware in your environment who can help the situation out. Also, talking will help. Some of you should just talk it out and tell what is it and how you see the situation or what you feel cannot go right in a project rather than five people then coming together and saying we feel it should be done this way, that way, and then some rift getting stronger. Maybe some of you are holding back a difference of opinion from your supervisor, and then it's going to lead to a certain escalation within colleagues or within the peers. So you should already sense or tell your supervisor about these differences which are going on rather than it just escalates and becomes something big. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Virgo. Oh wow, it is a very, very rewarding week. You know, some of you are going to see a very nice growth to whatever that you're doing. You see, this is a young man. He started out to get to some place with a very small or a little knowledge. Then, as a progression, he is able to buy himself a horse and a gear to protect himself from some rough weather so that he can continue the journey of whatever that he's following. And then he's now able to get to a place of establishment or establish himself as an authority and is a king now. So starting with this one point, you will improve your situation and then almost get to this position of authority. So if you're probably looking at, some of you, if you're looking at proposing to someone, it's totally going to work out. I'm just seeing a very beautiful progression and then something or your position solidifying. Also in your work situation, if some of you got a job offer, you will realize it is way more rewarding than what you initially read it to be or what you understood it to be. So maybe you'll get a load of benefits along with that job offer. I am just seeing a amazing growth here. So this week is going to progress very beautifully for some of you. Also, if you're feeling you're stuck and you don't see much solution in the beginning of the week, if you continue to invest and be very focused, you're going to get to your goal. So whether it is in your a family goal or whether it is your work goal, I am seeing a very beautiful progression and a great reward on its way. So very beautiful set of cards, Virgo. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Libra. Some of you need to get to the outdoors. If your work situation is all about staying indoors or just get being always in the meetings or doing some analytics or some work, and you're perennially just indoors, very literally, you need to get to the outdoors. Some of you just need to be able to appreciate a very beautiful sky, the the environment, the nature around you, and just breathe. I'm just saying some of you just forgotten the very basics that can be enjoyed in life, and you may be just too consumed with all the work, all that needs to do, all that can go wrong. Some of you need to just set yourself free. And I'm just saying also this is the energy of someone who's perennially in a preparation mode. That should I do this? Should I go ahead with this? Should I just hold back? Is this the right thing to do? So the guidance is whether you're half prepared or full prepared, opportunities are coming your way and you want to totally take them on. So if you are able to take on an opportunity and not just keep thinking I'm still not prepared, maybe 10% more preparation is needed, a bit more finesse is needed. If you're just going to be in that mode, you're going to miss out on some opportunities that are going to come your way. And overall, should the good sense prevail and should you be willing to say that yes, I have a certain situation, I have a lot of work, but I'm not going to let that stop from me taking up a good set of opportunities which may be coming. It's quite possible that you're so hard at work, Libra, that you feel there is no place or space for you to travel or take up a new business travel that your employer may send your way. Now, the guidance really is you want to take up this travel, you want to take up what is coming your way, which is new and may look over and above the kind of stress you're handling. So, it's just going to give you a new release. And as I see it, you're able to make all these opportunities work. You see, these are 8 wands. So, 8 opportunities, very literally, as I say it. So, it may be whatever opportunity that is coming your way, you're able to make or do absolute justice to these opportunities because I'm seeing you sitting here with 8 coins. So you did not miss a single opportunity. You made good with all that came along and you made it into a nice financial situation for yourself or something very good and rewarding for yourself. So it is the time to be more in the action energy than to think that you're still not prepared. Maybe you should prepare a bit more, study more. Now is the time to go out and take on the opportunities as they come. So, Let us see what is the guidance for you, Scorpio. For last 3 weeks, I am consistently getting this energy. Some of you, because this is consistently coming up for you, Scorpio, even last week, a week before that, I am just seeing that there is a very big change on its way. And so the way to understand the change is that it's not always negative. Change just means that it's different from what you had initially thought it to be or what you may have planned it to be. So there is a very big change coming your way, Scorpio, and it may be for some of you almost like a relocation, or maybe just giving up on something that was not working out for quite some time, and then really going for something that is not known or untested or uncharted. So some of you are going to just pull a plug on something that was not working out for quite some time. And I am seeing a struggle with some finances also. And it's looking like your situation was earlier a little bit distressing. And when it gets a bit too harsh, and maybe you will try to reach out for help, you may not get this help, because I am just seeing that you are going to take some very serious decision. So some of you, now this is not a guidance for all of you, so whoever can relate to this situation, I am just seeing that if your situation goes from distressing to now impossible, instead of asking for help, which you may do, you will just call it an end, and you are going to say, I am done with this for the longest time, and now I'm going to take on something new and give it a try. So maybe in your work situation, if you were trying to make or work with certain budget, it's just looking like you may seek the help, you may try to make it work, but then you're going to go with something very, very drastic or different to pull in the resources together or make it work. So there is a very strong change, and some of you were working on something for the quite a long time and it was not delivering any results for you. You are going to finally say goodbye to it. So for some of you, it's, I'm just seeing for a relationship also, it's a very strong change. Maybe you will try to send your friends or family to make it work, or maybe some common friends to work it out with your love interest if you are in a almost in a stage of giving up. And if it just doesn't get a positive response, these common friends try to reach out and get from your love interest, looks like you are then not going to wait anymore. So I'm just seeing a very strong change for some of you. Also this week, some of you will make some new introductions. They may not be very lasting. You will just filter out people very quickly, and you will figure out that there is something new that you are looking for. So this is how your guidance is, Scorpio. Let us see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius. It's a very good guidance. You are headed to a place of lot of success, and you will go through this transformation where you went out with all skill and talent, and then you learned that just about as much skill and talent is important. It's equally important to understand and work with just about everybody, whether it is difficult person, easy person. And then I'm seeing you almost imbibing that as your skill. You see, this is a person who has two wands, which is all about skill and talents and all that he knows he's carrying with him. And then there is a realization and deeper understanding for this person that he's starting to understand emotions and how to deal with people and how to really meet their expectations. So I'm seeing if you see the robe is all red here, which is the color of, almost the sticks that he's carrying or the skill or talent that he's carrying. So here this person is all about what he knows, what he's learned all the way. And then this person goes through this understanding or deeper meaning of success is more about dealing with people and just accommodating and working with everyone, and then finding a true sense of success. You see, this person is just wearing a normal hat here. After this understanding of how to deal and work with people, he seems to have solidified his situation, and this hat, normal looking hat, is replaced with a very nice crown and is also sitting on a throne. And instead of two wands here, this person is just holding one wand, which means you're going to find a balance that expertise alone is not important. You should be able to deal with people as well. So you see, this golden color of emotions and cups has rubbed on this person so well that he or she is wearing a color golden, which means it's all about accepting people and their emotions and dealing with them. So this is a very good journey. Some of you, if you start on a project or assignment, you will go with lot of technical understanding, and then you will realize that probably people are not on the same page as you, and that you need to appeal to their personality, or you need to find that connect where they want to help and support you. So whatever that you set out to do, there will be a learning for you, Sagittarius, and then there is a win. So also for love energy, I'm just saying some of you will set out to meet and probably take things forward. You will understand your partner or love interest very well, and then this lady is reciprocating what this man is saying. So I'm seeing a love energy also working out very fine. And some of you want to probably get an introduction or you want to get to know someone, it's all looking positive for you. So it will be a very encouraging dialogue or a dealing that you will have this week with people, whether it is in your family or at work. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. There is a rush of opportunity coming your way this week, which means if you had your mind set on something, maybe even very challenging, you are going to find you surrounded with a whole lot you can work with and make it happen for you. So you have great courage, Capricorn, because I am seeing this person who has almost this gentle energy but is so full of courage that you will be able to deal with the most difficult or most challenging of situations with lot of ease. So it may look easy to a lot of people, but you know the kind of effort and courage it will take for you to handle and make these opportunities work for you. Some of you who are probably looking at taking a travel this week, you may just find there is a change in itinerary or maybe certain change in your travel, but you will be able to very quickly or easily make a fix and deal with it as I see it. And then get to work or get started with something that new needed to be started or take on that opportunity and work with it. So if you were traveling somewhere, you are going to make the most of that travel because you're going to go with a very unassuming, non-judging energy. And you will be able to find a very quick fix should there be any trouble or a change of plan that may show up. Some of you may meet a partner who is slightly senior to you by couple of years or maybe many years, and mostly if you are a man it's looking like the woman you meet will be senior or couple of year older to you. So I'm seeing a quick love or a romantic energy working out for some of you. Now, how's the guidance for you, Aquarius? This week is very successful. So you're being very heavily supported. So some of you who are not sure that should I go ahead, should I just stay back? Is this the right way to do it? Should I go and speak to my supervisor about whatever the situation you're dealing with? Should I go and talk it about certain situation in my family? So whatever that you are surrounded with, Aquarius, I'm getting the guidance that you're going to be heavily supported. So maybe your colleague will accompany you or he or she will tell you a way to deal with this supervisor so that you can have your way. Or someone in the family is going to help you or maybe tell you how to approach this friend or a family member or a relative if you're looking at probably seeking some help or trying to make some kind of an understanding. Also, there is a great love energy I'm seeing. You see, this is a queen. This is a person who set out to get what he's looking for. And then this is a energy of a wedding or a win. So for some of you, this week is very good. I'm seeing a proposal is on its way. And you're going to feel mighty pleased. So as a person who will receive a proposal, you're going to totally say yes. And if you're looking at proposing to someone, looks like mostly the partner or this love interest will say yes to you. I'm seeing a very big win. So some of you will decide this week that you should get married because everything is working out for the two of you. This is a very beautiful winning energy. So it's looking very, very good. So you're going to be supported. Plus, I'm seeing, the guidance of should you look for help or should you want to go out and travel or maybe look at certain goals to work out for you. It's all working in your favor. Now, it's up to you how much you want to stretch it and how much more you want to go and make of this opportunity. So, it's a great week and you want to totally make the most of it. So, what is the guidance for you, Pisces? If you are planning to start a new business, Pisces, or you've been wanting to start something new, there is all the help that is available to you. So this week, if some of you want to go and discuss a new project or a business proposition with someone, there is all the help that is available to you. I'm also seeing that some of you will feel little separated from your family this week. Maybe you had to take a holiday all by yourself when the initial plan was to go with your partner and your children. So looks like only you and your children are going, and your spouse or your partner stayed back because there was more work pressure in their job or a work situation. So initially you're not going to like it, but overall it's going to be a very rewarding holiday or a travel that you will take without your spouse or a partner. So this week maybe certain plans will not go as right or as you may have intended, Pisces, for some of you, but it's all going to just work out fine, because I'm seeing that while this lady or this family, maybe even a man or children are going somewhere, they are being received by someone who has a lot to show for and give. Yeah. So this person is carrying all the pain with them or unhappiness that they were not accompanied or they were told to go all by themselves, or maybe even friends, not just a spouse or a love situation. Even for some of you, your friends may ditch you at the last minute and tell you to maybe if you could carry on the travel all by yourself because they are busy. So you may just go with a certain disappointment, but overall will be nothing to be disappointed, because you are going to be received by this person who has so much to offer, so much love to offer, to make your this travel or a holiday time great. So looks like initial disappointments will be very quickly and easily be replaced. So this is how your reading is, Pisces.